Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I post new videos every Monday about skincare, makeup tutorials, and hair care. Today I will show you how to restore your curls using the Olaplex 3 treatment and the Moroccan Oil depositing mask. These products will help you bring the curl pattern back, and especially when they are stretched out and when you have color treated hair that needs some care. Using these products will help you get a better result. And if you're interested, keep watching to learn also my step-by-step how I style my curls and the products that I use. Before applying the treatment, I like to wash my hair. Even though the instruction says that you can use it with dirty hair, I prefer to remove any buildup and excess product from my hair so the product can penetrate even better. And as you can see, I'm just sectioning the hair to evenly distribute the product. And I'm using it also to detangle my hair because I did not use a conditioner. You can also use a wide comb to help you distribute the product evenly, and go slowly layer by layer to ensure that the product is on your hair evenly. Now I'm using a plastic cup and I'm adding an extra layer with a hair towel just to keep some heat on my hair. The heat is important to open the follicles of your hair and allow the product to penetrate even more into your hair. It's been 1 hour since I applied the Olaplex number 3 treatment. The product says that you have to leave it on at least 10 minutes, but the longer the better. So I waited for an hour. Now it's time to wash your hair. This treatment is meant to be applied before your shampooing. Okay, so for shampoo, today I'm using this Shea Moisture Purple Rice Strength and Color Care shampoo. This purple shampoo helps to maintain the color, especially if you have blonde or highlights. This is a great product. It really helps moisturize your hair, make it look shiny and healthy. So this is my go-to. And for conditioner, I will use the Diva Curl One conditioner, the original, just to moisturize my hair. I will wash my hair and I come back. And my hair is clean and conditioned. So now I'm going to apply a deep conditioner. I'm using this Moroccan Oil color depositing mask. This mask helps to keep the color, to refresh your color. So it's a purple color, and especially if you have blonde hair, it will just help neutralize some of the yellowish undertones that you get. And it's better if you section your hair and apply the product all over, but since I just have a little bit left, I will just apply it on all over my hair. Especially I want to focus on the end and the front. You can use your fingers to spread the product, and or you can use a comb to spread the product. For me, I don't notice a big difference. This is the third time that I use this product. I do notice that my hair feels softer, but in terms of the actual color depositing, it doesn't change that much. It does look a little bit more ashy, less yellowish, but see, it's purple. But when you apply it on my hair, doesn't make a big difference. But I I think it just helps a little bit to neutralize that yellowish undertone. You are supposed to leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. I usually leave it a little bit longer, and once I have all the product spread on my hair, I just use a plastic cup. And since my hair is clean, I just have to rinse it off with cold water, and I can start styling my hair as usual. Hello, I'm back. So now my hair is, I rinse off the conditioner. It feels nice and soft. Now when my hair is like just out of the shower, very wet, I like to apply my leave-in conditioner, and this one is from the same Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water. It also helps to as a hair primer and protect your hair color as well. So I like to apply it on my hand because it could be a little bit too rich. I'm warm the product on my hands and apply the product from ends to the to mid mid to ends. I do not apply it on my roots since this product is very rich. It could weigh your hair down. So just apply from the ends to the middle to the ends. Make sure you distribute the product evenly. I will start applying my other products, but this I do it upside down with my hair down, and I'm just gonna show you first the products, and then I will talk you through the process. I'm using the a little bit of styling cream. This one helps to give moisture to your hair and prepare this for. It's always good to apply a cream product before the gel, so I'm using this from Up North Natural as my styling cream, and then I'm using the gel from Diva Curl to lock in the moisture, and finally I'm using the 8 oil blend jelly. This will help maintain my curls and also will make them look shiny without making it crunchy. So I will show you how to use these 3 products right away. As my second product, I like to use a styling cream. These products are very good to give moisture to your hair and help you keep the shape of your curls. And I'm applying the product from mid to end and distributing the product evenly all over my hair with my fingers. After that, I like to scrunch the product into my hair. As my third hair product, I like to use a gel. Gels are great to give you hold and to also help you control frizz. And I'm applying the product, all evenly into my hair, making sure that I smooth my hair first, and after that I start scrunching. This next step is optional. Some people like to use an oil at the end just to seal the products into your hair, but I prefer to use this jelly from Up North Natural, which has 8 oils on it. It just makes the hair look more shiny and also helps keep my curls in place for longer. After that, just scrunch the product into your hair just to lock it in place. And as you can see, I'm just gently squeezing and scrunching the product in. Now that I have the product on my hair, I usually like to finger curl the front, just the front, since I like to have a little bit more defined curls, just a little bit, just to frame my face and To help with the drying time, I like to use a microfiber towel. These towels are great, especially for curly hair, because they don't create any frizz. And by using a regular towel, you are damaging your hair. So it's better to use a softer material. And I'm just squeezing out some of the excess water and excess product from my hair. So now I have my hair in this little bun just to help with the drying process. So this is a microfiber towel that will help absorb the moisture and the excess product. So I would just wanna wait probably maybe 20 minutes or so, so my hair absorbs, the towel absorbs the moisture, and also it will help with my curls forming so they become tighter. About half an hour, I'm going to remove the towel, and this is the hair. This is a good time to add more product. Let's say that you notice that your hair looks a bit frizzy. You can add product. You can add a little bit more gel. Usually that's what I do. And just to smooth out any frizz, it's better to do it before you go ahead with your diffuser. That way you will keep your hair with frizz control. So now I'm going to diffuse my hair using this curl keeper silicone diffuser. Great for diffuse your hair, and that regular Conair, I think, hair dryer. And I like to do it with my hair down as well. My hair is about 90% dry. As you can see, I have lots of volume. My hair looks so short right now. And I just wanted to mention that I started my drying process with high speed and medium heat. At this point, when my hair is almost dry, I switch to low heat, the same speed, in order to make the drying process faster. That's why I do it. And at the end, when I notice that my hair is pretty much like 98% dry, I will just use cold air just to set everything in place. Okay, now it's time to separate the curls and make sure that break the cast. And I'm just shaking my roots like this with my fingers, gently shaking my roots, and with my fingers just breaking the cast, which I don't have a lot. Something that I like about this style of this method of styling the hair upside down is because it really gives lots of volume. Here you have the final look, how much volume, how much definition I got by using the Olaplex treatment and mask from Moroccan Oil. Just my hair looks, the color looks refreshed. It's very subtle change. I don't see it very much, but just it looks a little bit more ashy, less yellowish. And as you can see, by doing the upside down styling, it just creates a fuller volume, and the curls look like more defined. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new about hair care and how to keep your curl healthy and beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next week. Bye.